Varnamala. The common mistakes that could happen while learning Varnamala swar. A, I, U, A, I. Mostly people do not recognize that this is I. Instead, just continuing like A, I, U, A they say. But that is wrong. It is not A, but it is A, I. Okay, from A, I, the rest three have different sounds. There is not extended sounds. These two are not single and extended sounds. These two are different sounds. A, I, O, ow. Not O. It is O, ow. Aha, R. See, as a child, I had the same confusion. Actually, I always learnt up till I think 8th standard or something that this was A-I. It was A, O. That's how I was thinking, and up till 8th standard. Then later on, in 8th standard, while I was learning and I got my test paper, I saw that I have so many spelling mistakes. Then what happened was I was so scared I could not go. I didn't have the courage to ask my class teacher what is wrong, because she just marked circles for mistakes. She never put the correct spelling on top. So I was so scared. I had no courage to go and ask the teacher what is it, why is it wrong and all. But there was a classmate. Her name was Anita. She had come from Libya. In Libya, she had learnt her Hindi. She had very good Hindi teachers there. She told me that this is A-I-O, ow. So in 8th standard, I learnt the difference. Because of this, you can make many spelling mistakes as you grow older if you don't know the correct pronunciation. And this is R. Okay. Now we go to Vyanjan. Vyanjan, Kha. No, if Ka is Ka, Kha is Kha. Okay, same everywhere else. Okay, Kha, Gha, Kung. You know how to remember this sound? This K is coming, see, before ing. See, K, this line, K. This is Kakagana, this line. So, this ing will have K in the beginning. Just remember it like that. Okay. Wherever there is a spelling which has any of these, it will have this as its ing. This one only. Okay. That's how you can remember. Then you have ch, jha, niya. This is niya. Okay, wherever you have a spelling or a word which has starts with any of these, then the nya is the no that will be following or there in that word. Just remember like that. Then you have tha, dha, na. Like your tongue should touch the upper palate and come down. Na. Okay, and then nasal sound. Na. Okay, next is th, dha, na. This is the common na which you use everywhere. Okay, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha. Shatra, Jnani, G, N and G, Jna. Okay, that's how you should differentiate between the Ns, and where which N would appear is where these letters are there in the word, there that particular N will appear. Wherever these letters are there, this N will appear. Okay, that's how you need to understand. And one more thing is the difference between G, Ch and Dha. See, G has no circle like this. No circle which is there in this. Okay, G. Ch has the circle at the end and Dha has the circle in the beginning. That's how you need to remember. These are things that can confuse you. As a child, I was confused between these three letters, then all the Ns, and then Anyway, I used to mug up the whole word with the spelling so that I don't make a mistake. Okay, but that you can do. But unless you know the correct pronunciation, it is difficult to follow. Okay, next we move to Ank. Ank is the numbers. Okay, Ginti is the how you count the numbers. Okay, counting. So 1 is written like this with the circle in the starting and there's nothing in the between, and 2 is written with circle in the between and nothing in the starting. Okay, 3 is just like 3 and the circle which extends. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 4 is a very different shape. 4, you need to remember it. 4 is char. 5 is panch. Panch is also a different shape. Like panch we are writing with pa. Put the same pa and pull it down. Panch. Okay. That's how you can remember panch. Che. Che is just like 3. Opposite of 3 is che. Okay. And it's just like chah. Chah. Chah, a che is same. This 6. Just like cha, you need to just pull it down. That is the ank. 7. 7 you need to remember that it is like this. Okay. This is 7. You need to make the shape and remember 7. Art. 8. 8 is art. Art you need to remember it's like the nose in the face. Side profile. Okay. Nose in the face of a person. Next 9. 9, see, it's just the 9 which is more slanting and turned mirror image. Turn to the other side. Okay. The circle turn to the other side is now. Thus is just like 1 and 0, that is just. Thus. Okay. That's how you need to remember. You need to remember 7. You need to remember 8. You need to remember 9. 9 is just like 9 but it is slanting and it is in the opposite direction, not this direction but the opposite direction, the circle. And 4 also you need to remember. 5 very easy, just like pa, you have to put punch and pull it down. That's it for today's class. Thank you.